Here we'll examine the four varieties of stratified epithelial tissues. The stratified epithelia include the stratified squamous epithelium. It has two forms, a non-keratinized form and a keratinized form. Keratin is a tough fiber-like protein that gives this tissue its great strength. The non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium lines the mouth, the esophagus, and the vagina. Because it is a thick tissue with many cell layers, it functions to protect deeper tissues from physical damage, and it very easily regenerates and replaces itself if it does become damaged. The keratinized variety composes the epidermis, which is the superficial tissue of the skin. And in this location, it protects the deeper layers of the skin from physical damage and from infection by pathogens. And the keratin protein that's found in the epidermis gives the epidermis its physical toughness. Stratified cuboidal epithelium lines the ducts of the sweat, salivary, and mammary glands, where it forms the structure of the ducts for these glands. Stratified columnar epithelium is a relatively rare epithelial tissue lining the urethra of both males and females, where it functions in physical protection of deeper tissues. And then finally we have transitional epithelium, which lines the urinary bladder and the ureters. And the ureters are the small tubes that connect the kidney to the urinary bladder and direct urine into the bladder. Transitional epithelium is an epithelial tissue that permits the bladder or the ureters to stretch as urine enters those structures. This epithelium resists breaking or tearing as those structures begin to fill.